gotta take this makeup off fast. Jack is supposed to be at an event in 5 minutes, but I turned him into Papa Smurf instead. Sorry about that. So let's lose the hat. And I did glue this stuff to his face. Are you scared?
A little bit. Is it gonna hurt?
It might.
What?
The beard might be a little scary.
Is it gonna hurt?
Satisfying latex peel.
Oh, yeah.
That was so good!
Oh, yeah.
It hurt a little. I'm gonna lose my hat. Oh my god. I feel like I'm gonna be stained blue.
Shame. I'm gonna go to this event looking blue.
We're definitely like slightly blue tinged. I totally forgot we have blue necks.
Oh, no.
In my neckline.
Snatched.
Scrape that neck. I feel like this is the best we can do. Jack's gotta get to his event.
Gotta go.
It's me, Mario, and we're gonna be taking off this makeup. So I actually have an event that I have to go to. Not only do I have to take this off, but I have to put more makeup on. Mario would slay harder though. Do I just wear this? Be honest. This looks crazy from far away. Well, hours of hard work, gone. I'm actually really sad about this. Let's take the mustache. That came off really easy. Goodbye, mustache. The mouth. I think this look turned out really cool. I haven't done any like illusion type makeup looks in a while, but I had a lot of fun doing it. More to come, so if you have ideas, let me know. And let's say goodbye to the eyeball. Look at his iris dripping down my face. Wipe away those tears. His little banana eyebrow. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. I may be going blind. My contact has so much paint in it. My eyebrows have been through so much recently. Full-length video of how I did this on my YouTube channel, by the way. Thanks for watching. I gotta go.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Y'all already know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. Snatch that weave, baby. Ow, my earring fell off. I'm gonna go take my contacts off because I can't see. I can see now. Although this makeup is painted on except for the horn, so let's do that. So easy. Bye-bye. Oh, and I almost forgot the teeth. That's nice. Nice. Let's take my eyelashes off too. Wow. I swear to God, I don't look the same with no eyelashes on. Who is this? I'm just playing, I know I still look good. I'm gonna go wash all this off, I'll be right back. Ah, much better. If you didn't know, this makeup is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins, yeah. The full tutorial will be in the link in my profile in case you guys want to know what products I used. Have a great day, y'all.
Take off my makeup with me, snowman edition. Gotta get this scarf off and this hat, the wig. All right, let's get this nose off. Look at this. Do we think this is gonna rip my eyebrows off? A little more on my nose. I'm gonna try and wipe it. This is not coming off my nose. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, unicorn edition. Get rid of these wings. And this horn. I'm gonna take out these contacts. Ugh, there's one. There's two. A unicorn is definitely my spirit animal. They're just so like rainbowy and like sparkly. Which reminds me, I'm gonna get rid of these gems. Ow. If I don't get glitter in my eyes, it'll be a miracle. I don't really know what to do to get this glitter off, but like not blind myself in the process. Why did that literally do nothing? There we go. Oh, I'm scared. Oh my god, I didn't even take my eyelashes off. I think I'm actually losing my mind. I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Ah, much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding. We got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Yes, it is time to take this off again. Starting off with a wig. I am very excited to see again. Okay. Oh, and the second one. Nice. I need to drive my siblings to their dance class in 5 minutes, so we about to speed run this removal. Oh boy. Ow. Okay, there's no going back now. Oh my god. Ah. I can't even open my mouth all the way, what? If that's not nightmare fuel, I don't know what is. Okay, I want to see if I can rip it with just my mouth. Ah, yes I can. Oh, that does not feel good. Okay, let's take it off. It does not want to leave my face, but I will make it. I look like a clown. I also feel like a clown, which says a lot. I'm running short on time, and as much as I hate it, I'm whipping out the makeup wipe. I feel like I haven't used one in so long. Oh, nice. Ah, my skin is stained in some spots, but it's okay. I need to leave, but
It is time to take this off. Let's get these contacts out. Perfect. I already know this is gonna be a lot of pain. Let's get the forehead. I'm gonna spray it with some of that. Let's try this again. I can't. It's stuck. Oh my god. Thanks for watching.
hey, what's up, you little freaks? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Now for the fun stuff. Ah, whoop. This took way too long to put on. Oh god, how do I take this off? Come on. Ah, I don't think there's a satisfying way for me to take these things off. Like, ah. They're all off. I'm gonna go wash my face now. Damn, who is she? This look is a part of my 7 Deadly Sins series, and this was Pride. I have no idea why everyone keeps commenting the anime. I have never watched the anime. I don't know what it is. The sins are from the Bible. But either way, the full tutorial will be on my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys.
Get unready with me, special effects makeup. This is about to hurt so bad. It looks so weird. Let's get these contacts out. There we go. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, rainbow glittery kinda spiderweb edition. You know the drill. We gotta get the hair out of the way. Gotta get the lashes. Ah! Let's see if these bad boys will come off. Oh! Alright, now we're gonna do the rest of the... Did you really think I was gonna put that on there? Y'all tripping. I was just thirsty. Okay, here we go for real. Okay, period. It's kind of coming off. To the left, to the left. Oof. I'm gonna go wash my face. Bye! Get unready with me, Aries edition. Let me take off these horns. Take off this choker. Take out these contacts. Let me take off these lashes. Oh no, this one's stuck. And now we're gonna start wiping it. Let's get the other side. Here goes the Aries symbol on that side. And this beautiful ram in the middle of my forehead. Let's get this eye. And can't forget about this eye. And finally, the lips. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. As you could probably tell, this makeup was inspired by Squid Games, and I love it. And I'm taking my contacts out first so I can see. Let's start with a small piece. Oh boy. Okay, could be worse. Now I gotta take this monstrosity off, and I'm really not looking forward to that. I think doing it fast is the best course of action. Alright, y'all, 3, 2, 1. Oh. I keep making everything out of cardboard boxes, yes. But that was only the beginning. There's still this piece left. Okay, let's just do the same thing. Deep breath. The other way. Good. Did I really just forget how to breathe? Anyways. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I don't feel pain. Doesn't this just look delicious? Nightmare fuel. And just like that, I'm all clean.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie minion edition. Okay, I genuinely don't think anybody has done this before. This blood under my eyes is so sticky. Oh God. If this isn't commitment to good content, I don't know what is. It's kind of coming off. My ears are stained yellow, but I'm gonna go shower. I literally look like a bug that just got hit with a fly swatter, but I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. Well, I'm not actually wiping on makeup. I wiped off my makeup and put it in reverse. But if I could wipe on makeup like this, that'd be a pretty nifty skill. But anyways, I'm throwing this bad boy in reverse because y'all said that girls would give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on. Please. I'm begging you.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I already took the contacts out because I couldn't see. We just gotta find the edge. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, not gonna lie. Okay, it's like... It feels like I super glued this to my skin, which I didn't. Gotta do it fast. I don't feel so good, Mr. Stark. It also ripped. The big headpiece. Oh, my eyebrow. Oh, this is not pretty. Let's get this over with. I don't know if this is satisfying or just sad. Nightmare fuel? I'm just gonna go take a shower. I'll be right back. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? 'Tis time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Honestly though, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. But these horns are so big and heavy that it took so much to glue them onto my face. But that's not important. Let's take them off. Nice. Ooh. Takes so much time to put it on and so little time to take this off. Actually, just kidding. This is probably gonna take like 3 hours for me to wash off. Okay, it's coming off. That's good. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna go shower. I feel so much better now. Have a great day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me. So I told you guys last time I did this, I had to go to the shelter like 10 minutes after, and I was considering getting a cat. Well, here she is. I got one. Oh my goodness. I need name suggestions. And if you didn't already watch the video that this was from, you need to. I spit water at my phone as the transition and made a huge mess. But the result, chef's kiss. Ow. I used liquid latex for this moss. And you guys are gonna kill me because I always do makeup when I'm supposed to go somewhere, but I was supposed to leave for a hike with my friends 10 minutes ago. Ah! The cats made a hole in my backdrop and now they're playing through it. And it's one of the most popular hiking trails in LA, so I feel like it would be funny if I showed up like this. You know, pop out, scare some girlies into running a little quicker on their hike. Could be good for them. I'm meeting up with Carter and Scott to hike. The holographic gloss on the lips, I feel like really brought it together. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time
To take it off again.
Yeah. This was a lot of fun to do.
Yeah.
It was so much fun.
My teeth are black.
Lucky. Mine are yellow. This is what you get for drinking 5 cups of coffee a day. Would you like me to demonstrate the latex?
Yes.
Okay. You just find a side and you go for it.
Does that hurt?
No.
Oh.
Is that in your hair?
Yeah, it is. Ouch. No.
How does that feel?
Doesn't hurt at all.
Would you like to take the other side off together?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Beauty at its finest.
Tears.
Face clean.
Tongue stained.